If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, this is Beauty and Lifestyle by Vivian. Yeah, so in case you have not subscribed or in case you're new here, kindly subscribe. Please don't leave without subscribing. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And so as you can see by the title, you already know what you're going to do today. And so let's get straight into the video. And before that, make sure you like this video, comment and share, and turn on the notification bell. So this is the before doing our eyebrows. Then first things first, I'm going to set the eyebrows using such a setting powder. You only set the eyebrow area when you feel like it's too oily, or when you have, that's it, just like when the eyebrow area is too oily, always use a powder before you start doing your eyebrows. You don't have to do this if your eyebrow area is not too oily. Yeah. And so after that, you're going to line our eyebrows using Davis number 3 eye pencil, starting from the lower side of the eyebrows, just like that. Be gentle, don't be too harsh. Don't overpress the pencil, just hold it slightly. So just slightly draw the line. And that's how the lower side looks. And now we're going to the upper side of the eyebrow. We're not starting from the start of the eyebrow, is slightly starting from the middle part of the eyebrow. Leave a little space, just a little space, not too much space. We want our eyebrow to look like more natural, so leave a little space, not too much space. And so that's how our eyebrow looks after lining. And so we're going to filling in the inner side using the same Davis number 3 eye pencil, from the inner side to slightly in the middle part of the eyebrow, drawing hair like strands slightly. Don't be too harsh, don't overbold, that is. Yeah, so just like that. Fill in where you feel there's no hairs. And guys, kindly subscribe, like this video, comment, share and turn on the notification bell. And so filling in the outer side of the eyebrow, I'm using Davis number 1 eye pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharp. Sharpen your pencil well before using. You can also comment down below what you want me to do, what you want to see on this channel. Yeah, give me ideas, or maybe what you want to know. So fill in till you're contented, and don't overdo, don't overboard, use less force. Yeah, and so that's how eyebrows look after drawing and filling in. You can see the difference between the right and the left eyebrow. You can clearly see the difference. And so after that, you're going to clean our eyebrows using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and using this brush. Make sure your brush is clean. Normalize cleaning your brushes, guys. And so putting a little amount on the brush, on the side of the brush like this. Don't put your product on top of the brush. And you're leaving a little space, a very little space in the inner part of the eyebrow while concealing. So just be gentle, don't shake. Then pull the brush like that. The remaining product is what you're using at that space that we left in the inner part. We don't want the line at the inner part to be too harsh, so that's why we left the space there. Just be gentle, your eyebrow will be clean and it will have a more natural look compared to when you're too harsh and when you're using too much product. So make sure you don't use too much product. So the excess concealer is what I'm using on my eyelid, because I'll proceed to doing my makeup later. And so on the upper side of the eyebrow, I'm not going to use a concealer. Instead, I'm using this matte foundation, shade number 2. It's called Kiss Beauty. You can see it's darker compared to the concealer. That's Kiss Beauty Matte and Waterproof Foundation. That's what I'm using on the upper side of the eyebrow, to clean the upper side of the eyebrow, that is. And you can see the difference between these two eyebrows, between my left eyebrow and my right eyebrow, or my done eyebrow and the one that I've not done. You can already see the difference is too big. One looks clean, the other one, no, it's not giving. And so you can leave the eyebrow like that, or you can blend if you feel like the product looks too much. Here I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. Make sure you squeeze out the excess water or the excess setting spray. Yeah, so you just tap till you feel like the product is well blended in. Yeah, and that's how the eyebrows look. That's the final look. I think I love it. I don't know what you think. You can comment down below what you think. Yeah, so that's the final look. I'm proceeding to doing my makeup, but that will be on another video. I'll be doing my face, lips, contouring and all that. That will be on another video. So you can try this on yourself or on someone else, at work, at home, anywhere. It's so easy. So bye, we meet again in the next video. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Share it to your friends. Bye.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside